team at Sephora.
Hi guys, I'm David with the Sephora Pro Team.
And today we're here to talk to you about January's Play Box.
Fun.
So this year's theme, all about the new year, it's called Happy You Year.
So cute.
All about beauty resolutions, getting you ready for the next 12 months. Speaking of resolutions, what is yours?
One thing I need to do is hydrate my body.
So good.
Because I always focus on hydrating my face and I never really think about the body. So what is yours then?
So mine is also with the theme of hydration. I want to do more hair masks, maybe like once a week. It makes it so shiny and healthy.
That's why mine looks so shiny. No, don't forget, guys. There's a lot of products we're going to be going over, but you're not going to get all of them in your particular box. You will get the ones that are best curated to you according to your play profile. And of course, the bag.
You get your fun bag.
It's so cute.
It's all about you this year. So I think it's time for us to dive into some products.
Yeah, let's see what's going on in there.
So first up, let's talk about skincare, my favorite topic.
As it should be.
It's kind of my job. The first one is from Glam Glow. This is their Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So this is a cream cleanser that turns into a foam when it's activated with water. So it's going to be really light and airy as you cleanse your face. And it smells amazing, very fresh and herbal. This is going to be detoxifying. It's got 3 different types of charcoal, but also really hydrating. So it's good for all skin types, which is great because you're all getting it in your boxes, but definitely best for that oily to normal client.
Yeah, I can feel that.
So let's hop into our next product. Is Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream.
Such a good one.
Such a good one. So this eye cream has peptides in it. It's really going to hydrate the under eye area, fill in those lines, depuff. It has this awesome little applicator so you can kind of rub it around and give yourself an eye massage.
I can speak for most of the Pro Team and say that we have all become obsessed with this product.
So good.
It's in all of our kits. You see the eyes plump and tighten and brighten, and it works amazing under makeup.
I love it.
Amazing. And everyone gets it.
Oh yeah, everyone gets this in
All
their
of
box.
you will be getting that and enjoying it.
So next we have a mask from La Henriksen. So this is their Hygge Hydroclay Detox Mask.
I had no idea that was how you said it.
It's kind of a tongue twister. But Hygge is a Danish word for coziness and comfort. And so this mask is a perfect way to take that time for yourself and really relax. I like to do this at least once a week. So this mask has clay and botanical oils in it. So it's going to be detoxifying like a normal clay mask, but the botanicals really make it hydrating. So you're not going to get that dry down effect.
Up next, I'm going to talk about something that I'm very passionate about right now. Bosch's Exfoliating Peel Gel. I'm very into peels in the moment.
Love peels.
I think that they're a great way to see really quick, easy results. It's filled with alpha hydroxy acids, which we know will resurface the skin and create that beautiful, glowing, fresh, youthful appearance to skin. And here's the thing. I know a lot of people hear about the word peel and they think, I can't do it, I'm sensitive. This one in particular is catered to everyone, including sensitive skin.
Next up, we have a moisturizer from Perricone MD. This is their H2 Elemental Energy Hydrating Cloud Cream. And cloud creams are really trending right now because they're going to give you that deep hydration with this awesome jelly texture. And this one has hydrogen in it, so it's going to really help retain that moisture.
Very universal.
Yes, very
For
universal.
those people who don't like the feel of a cream on their
Right.
face, a cloud cream is a great way because it really does provide the hydration without that sensation of a product on your skin. So next up, we have I would say this is a pretty iconic product.
Yeah.
This is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. This is always in my kit. This is a toner, but it doesn't have any alcohol in it, which was a huge thing for me.
Important.
Preps the skin to sort of receive your next steps of your skincare. Sometimes they will often help with the pH balance of the skin as well. With something like this, what I love is the rose in it actually soothes the skin and hydrates excessively. Everyone can use this.
I think everyone should be using this.
Everyone should use this. This is a favorite of mine.
Yeah, same. The next one we have is from L'Occitane. It is their almond milk
Speaking
concentrate.
of good smell.
Speaking of good smell, we love the smell of this product.
Obsessed.
It's a body product, which we love. And it's going to give you 48 hours of continuous hydration. It rubs in so easily.
And it's such a beautiful scent. I'm going to use this. It's going to be my hydration for my body. That's my resolution.
Slather up after
Done.
this.
Done.
All right, so what's the last thing we have?
Another classic, actually.
Oh yeah, so Fresh Sugar Advanced Lip Therapy Treatment. This is an awesome lip balm that has sugar in it, which is a natural humectant. So it's really gonna plump and hydrate your lips. I really love this after a matte lip. My lips are so dry and parched after. I just really need that extra step in therapy.
This is my favorite part. We are now about to talk about some makeup.
Yay!
There's some really great products, and of course I had to play with them all, and then I just put almost all of them on Morgan's face. So as we go through them, I'm gonna be like, yeah, and that's what I used here. We're gonna start with the Smashbox, and this is the Photo Finish Primerizer. This is like the baby of a moisturizer and a primer. You can use this alone. You know, if your skin is the normal to the oily, this would probably be enough hydration for you. If you're on the drier side, you might want to add a little boost of a moisturizer beforehand.
Our next product is from Lancome. It's the Cils Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. This is really going to help you give that definition of your mascara. Adds a little volume.
It does. I used it on you.
Look at my lashes.
It was insane. It was like...
But I also love using it at night. It's a good reparative treatment, and it's really hydrating for your lashes, and we never take that extra step to hydrate our lashes when we're so hard on them all the time.
So up next we have NARS. Most of you guys know about the Orgasm franchise, you know, started with the blush.
Yep.
And so now they added it into a lipstick, which I applied on Morgan. It is a fantastic
I love
color. And I'm really into lips kind of coming back with like shimmers and highlighting with the lips again. It makes the lip look plumper.
So next we have Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid Highlighter in Opal.
So on you, I did use them on the cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, and I did that actually before I applied her foundation. So there was this like lit from within. And then I tapped some more onto the cheeks, the bridge of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. And the apex of the lip.
Wow.
Even before I put the lipstick on. And listen, this is one of those products, even if you don't want to wear foundation, just pop a little bit on, get that glow. Okay, so up next we have the Makeup Forever, and this is their Artist Face color. And the color is B302, and I know that doesn't say a lot about what the actual shade is. It's just basically a perfect blush. It is a gorgeous peachy tone, which works on, I would say, almost everybody. And it's got a little bit of a golden reflex into it as well. So it creates a little bit of a glow and a little bit of a flush of color onto the cheek. It's really finely milled. I used it on you. This is gonna be great for anyone from the fair skin tones, even to the deeper skin tones. This will work as a beautiful, soft wash of color with a bit of highlight to it. Okay, so the next product up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in the color Kristen. These lip glosses are high pigment, definitely a smooth texture. Look at that. It is full coverage payoff. And it's a beautiful, universal nude, I would say, but a fantastic lip gloss, and I think all of you will love it.
Let's talk about beauty bonuses. So these are some of our favorite products that we want you to try, and we hope you'll fall in love with them. You'll get one of these in your box. This month we've got a little hair care, some fragrance, but we're gonna mix it up month by month because we're really listening to what you guys are saying, that you want some variety.
So in keeping with that sort of hydration and repair for 2018, new year, new you, there's some great hair masks in here. There's the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Balm to Oil Pre-Shampoo Mask. Also a newer brand called Gloss Moderne, their Clean Luxury Mask. Briogeo and their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. We've got the trending brand by Jen Atkin, Way Hair Care, and this is the treatment mask. And these are all fantastic. Great way to experiment with hair masks and sort of bring in a new aspect to your beauty routine if you've never tried it before.
So next we have some shampoo and conditioner. We have one from Alterna Hair Care. It's their Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Then we have Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner.
And keeping with that hair theme, there is also a CC cream. So Alterna has their Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction.
And last but not least, we have our fragrance of the month. This is Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris, and this is inspired by Paris. It's very light and fruity. This is a really classic scent.
And of course,
in your box, you're gonna get a playbook, and on your playbook, you have your play pass. So if you bring this to a Sephora store and make an in-store purchase, you're gonna get 50 extra Beauty Insider points, which means more samples. And who doesn't love that? And then,
I love the
favorite part. Look at this. It's a calendar of your beauty and life resolutions for the year.
Each month, there's like a little resolution for you, for your life, for your beauty. And guys, by the way, there's a really cute beauty shelf life here. You have to check it out. I get asked this all the time. How long should I keep my mascara? When should I throw out my foundation? These are the standard industry rules for how long you should keep these products, which is so helpful. Cut it out, put it somewhere, laminate it, put it in your wallet. keep it with you. And of course, on the other side, there's some great information about all the products that are coming within your box. So definitely check it out. Now don't forget, guys, if you want to watch some more videos, we have some great stuff on Sephora.com/play. Some great little tips and tricks videos for some of these products. Keep those unboxing videos coming to us. We love to see them. So share them on social media, hashtag them Sephora Play so we can find them and watch them. I love to see the reactions from you guys. It's so much fun. And I love to hear from you guys in the comments below. And until next time, guys, have a lot of fun, have a safe new year, and take care. Bye.